Wait a minute, baby, going too fast. I'ma turn back. Oh, wait a minute, baby, going too fast.
Clean up routine. When you cleaning, gotta listen to some music. Yeah, what you doing in there? Y'all talking? Watch them dishes. Clean up. Happy 4th of July to y'all. You know what I'm saying? My independence was celebrated on Juneteenth. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother story. Yeah, man. It's clean up time, man. I'm tired of looking at this dirty ass house. That you can. All these bags getting swine. Oh shit. The struggle. Oh, all I ever wanted was a rolling.
Look at Kailyn hair. And I did Amaya's hair. I tried to.
In the granny house, yeah.
We knocked out and talked. Come out of her car seat. Maya. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Maya, you ready to eat?
We got them ribs.
Eat.
Oh, we're going down there, bro. Oh, yeah?
Gonna eat, Maya?
Are you putting it on YouTube?
Yeah, you wanna smile?
Yeah, I want you to.
Did you hear Janaya? She said, yeah, I want you to.
I know you probably recording too.
I did take some on my phone, but
That's good, Maya. That's good, Naya. Leave it alone.
You all done? There's some juice in here.
Natalie, you the way you leave it like that. Leave just like that.
There you go. She's like, what is this? Come here. Come give mommy kisses. Come here, little stinky girl. Y'all gonna give me a kiss?
Throw it, baby. Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw it, Maya. Throw it. Throw it. Oh.
What are you doing?
Move out the way. I'm trying to see Wow. It just gets like a snake.
It just turned into
It turns into a freaking snake.
Is
it
that
ain't even
block
going.
forever?
Where the color at?
I thought it was supposed to have some color. The lady lied.
No color. Here, Maya.
Maybe it ain't dark enough.
Throw it, Maya. Throw it.
No, it's black.
No, don't throw it in the
Nah,
fire.
it said supposed to turn colors.
Don't
like,
throw
it's
that,
supposed to
those
turn
poppers
different
in the fire.
colors.
It's Throw it, gonna Maya. keep. Throw it. Throw it, Maya.
Step on.
Throw it, Maya. Let go. Open your hand. She still has it.
Let it go.
Throw it, Maya.
She's scared. She don't want
Do that damn poop. You Maya.
Oh, it's
Okay,
okay.
I'm sorry, baby. I ain't
Come
gonna
here.
do it again, I promise.
Come stand with mama.
I'm glad we got y'all.
It's okay. Why my child trying to throw fireworks at me? What are you doing?
Trying to get moved.
Don't throw it at me.
No, you're about 8.
You're bad. Give him a kiss.
Ew, ew, ew.
Give him a kiss. She like, no. You don't get daddy kisses? Say no.
Man, you can't do that. You're gonna mess up your granny. Man, look at your hair. I just washed your hair.
And we just greased it.
Damn, bro.
And they just cleaned it all off her face. Oh, look at that baby. Look at her. Look at that baby. Oh, wait, you're gonna fall.
Still need these.
You want to show them how who's.
You trying to be on me about shit that don't even matter.
Let's show them who the strongest is. Ready?
No,
Oh, you want to hold it?
Look.
All right, ready?
That's when we trying to talk about shit that don't even matter. Like,
No, it doesn't matter.
I
Put the
thought
camera
I
up.
was
You got
on the
two
phone with my cousin, and I must have had called somebody else, but I just don't remember. And here she come. Yeah, show it. Like, nigga, shut up.
Don't
Oh,
listen to
no,
him.
ain't nobody even worried about that shit. Like, that shit's so old.
No.
Like, show you ugly. You on my nerves, bro. You ugly.
Y'all see that? That's two. So.
Well, get off
No,
of me,
baby
bro.
time.
Stop. Amayah, where you going? Here, hold this, buddy.
Maya, you gonna get daddy a kiss? Say heck nah. Say No, you heard her? Here, Maya, get daddy kisses. Wait, do it again.
Get Amayah. Maya.
Come on, Maya. No. Come on.
No, we don't. That's what we do. Y'all watch out.
Look, Maya. Look, Ricky, she ain't leaving you. She's like, I don't trust none of this.
It'd be better if it was dark.
If it was dark, you could see it.
You can see it, yeah. Yeah, Nate, it'd be better if it was a little darker out here, you know?
Craving. I don't wanna get you out of my system. No, cause I like the way it feels when you touch me.
I'm going to go poop in her face.
Me good.
I know.
You got me good. Ooh, oh, babe. All I'm thinking about is when you come around.
Are you looking at the fireworks?
You got me,
Yeah, all the kids. Say hi.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh, Lord. Look who's scared. You scared?
That way.
Huh? You scared? It's okay, Maya. No. What? You scared?
My tablet.
Yeah. Maya, why don't you go look? Is it sparklers?
There's no firework tablet thing on here. I will put you in you will go stay in your room and be grounded for the whole day.
Tell me your heart. Is it
Pretty?
only me? Is it
Yay!
Pretty.
Look, that fireworks, baby. Yeah.
I need to know,
Whoa.
baby?
Come on, fireworks. Here. Let's do it.
You clap your hands. Say yes.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken?